What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's Jacoby. So today I am going to film my workout for you. But first I want to show you my outfit, if I can prop you up. Okay. These like little spandex shorts are from Balance Athletica. I think they're rebranding and they're naming it Vitality. And then this bra, super cute. Yeah. It's from Lululemon. For shoes, I'll probably just wear like some Adidas NMDs or whatever. Let's go. What are we doing today? Legs. Dumbbell only legs. Yes. All right, guys, we're back with the good old voiceover. First exercise is the good old Sumo Squats. These are really good for your booty, legs, explosiveness, etc. So this whole little circuit thingy is gonna be 4 sets of 10, and then one of them was supposed to be 3 by 12, but I just did 4 by 10 because I misread. Anyways, yeah, enjoy. My face looks so stupid. All right, anyways, I'm gonna stop commenting on myself. Okay, so next exercise are dumbbell deadlifts. I really like deadlifts. My strength coach for my college team, we do these a lot. So they're really good at activating your core. They improve your jump performance as well. But I don't necessarily like doing them with the barbell just because I usually just don't like to get my hands all ripped up. So if you're like me, you want less, I don't know, tears on your hands, dumbbells are the way. Okay, this next exercise is literally the bane of my existence, but it's reverse lunges. I hate these so much, but I see like the most results from these, so I always do them, but I hate them. I hate them. I hate them. And you can see me messing up because I like have horrible balance, but these work on your balance, and they also work on your hamstrings, glutes, etc. Oh, I just yelled. I'm sorry, guys. Headphone users RIP. Next exercise are dumbbell pull-throughs. These basically like activate your hamstrings, your glutes, and it's like basically acting like you have a cable machine if you don't have a cable machine. If you know, you know. Last exercise is a goblet squat. Now these are so important because they strengthen your lower leg, also including your knee, because if you're a volleyball player, you probably have had knee pain at some point in your career, or you will if you continue playing. So you're gonna make sure all those little muscles around there and your lower legs, your legs are just strong overall because you want to prevent injury, and also once again, it will make you more explosive, and that means like jumping and changing direction as well. I just did the first set of my workout, and by the way, usually I get my workouts from Instagram if I can't come up with something on my own or I'm not working out with my strength coach. So this is from Cali Fuller Fit. I absolutely love her. I also used her code to get these shorts. So check her out. I'll put her on the screen. But that's 4 sets of 10, so I'm about to do that right now. So I think I'm gonna fast forward the rest of the sets just because it's repetitive, and then I'm gonna do an ab circuit, and then I guess I'll take you along to what I eat after. Are y'all interested in that? I don't know, but anyways, let's go. Ooh. My legs are shaking, and it's only the second set. But now I'm moving on to the third set, so we're almost done, thank God. And I forgot to tell you guys, I'm using a 25-pound dumbbell. Make sure you challenge yourself with your weight, by the way. Okay, water. Okay. Okay, I'm being a little dramatic. Okay, so the legs portion of this video is done. Now for the ultimate burnout, even though I'm so tired, we're gonna do some abs. Oh, I also met a really nice girl. Her name's Carson. She's so nice. I made a friend at the gym. That's so much fun. She was like, let's work out together. Like, yeah. So that made me happy. Okay, I need to stop procrastinating because I'm hungry. So, okay, so instead of doing an entire ab workout circuit, I'm just gonna do what I usually do after every workout. This is what my strength coach at my college likes for us to do. We always do 100 weighted crunches after we work out, but I'm gonna do a variation of like 4 sets of 25 of like different little crunch exercises. Okay, hi, I'm editing this video right now, and I meant to say that I do 4 different exercises, each one time, each 25 reps. Does that make sense? So like 25, 25, 25, 25, that equals 100 of 4 different exercises. Okay. Or different ab exercises. So yeah, let's do that and get out of here. I'm ready to go. Abs done. Now I'm gonna stretch out a little bit because it's important to stretch because I hate being sore. So the way you combat soreness is by stretching and working on your flexibility. So I'm gonna stretch real quick, speed that up, and then we're gonna dip. We're gonna go because, oh girl, I can't do this. Okay, now it's post-workout snack time. This is, by the way, this is not my meal. It's just a snack before I eat my actual lunch. It's because it's, what, 1 o'clock? Yeah. So we're gonna make a protein shake. Woo! So here's my blender bottle. It's so cute, it's purple. Here's my protein. This is my favorite of all time, or at least the one this is the only flavor from, no. This is the second flavor I've tried from Blessed Plant Protein. It's vegan, pea protein isolate, 23 grams, vanilla chai. It is so good. I also have peanut butter cup from this brand. I hate it. It's so gross. Ironically enough, I went grocery shopping yesterday and I bought whole milk, like regular whole milk. And I usually get oat milk because I don't like to drink dairy, but it was on sale. So I bought it. I don't know. I'm gonna have that, and then I'm going to have 3 eggs. And I just bought these yesterday, and I'm gonna make them in the air fryer. If you watch Miss Remy Ashton, you would know that she makes her eggs in the air fryer, and I tried it once and they were so good. So she's definitely put me on. And I'm gonna wash my face, because you wanna wash your face like pretty much as soon as you can after your workout, because you know, sweat, acne, blah, blah, blah. And I have acne prone skin, so whatever. But yeah, this is not a vlog, so I'm just going to end this video here. But if you want to see my vlogs and you want to see what I eat, how I take care of my skin, and like lifestyle stuff, you can subscribe to my vlog channel, which is Jacoby Sims Vlogs. Sorry, I'm like so hungry. Also follow me on TikTok at jacoby.sims, and Instagram, same thing. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. Make sure you can leave a comment down below what your favorite workout is. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.